Today we are going to show you how to change the oil on your lawnmower. It is very simple. You do not need any tools, just a container and a small rag. Lawnmowers usually take 10W30 oil. As you can see on the lawnmower, most of them take 10W30. So now I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. First, you're going to turn the gas line off. Okay, after you turn the gas line off, you want to make sure you burn off all the oil that is left. Next, you want to make sure you open the oil gauge. And then tilt it into and make sure you spill it all into a container. And make sure you get a funnel for easy pour. And make sure you clean the gauge with the cloth before you check how much oil is in there. Put the gauge in all the way. And make sure that it's at the right point. And now you're all ready to go.